Hey peeps, it's Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So I have my design team journal for Ephemera's Vintage Garden using her digital kits, Summer Prelude. Hold on a second. Okay, so I made sure I kept the strips so I can remember. So I did use some of her, I think these are freebies if I'm not mistaken. So Sweet Songbirds 2, Summer Prelude, Shabby Roses. So the Summer Prelude has the main kit and an add-on kit, and I'm going to link them down below. You can get her digitals from Etsy or her website. She has a whole digital club going on there. You can find freebies there on her website. So I'm going to link all her information as well as her YouTube channel in the description box below. I hope I didn't forget anything, but let's go. So again, I'm using her Summer Prelude kit. So it is birds and floral. So I got this beautiful fabric, I believe from Spectrum Arts Creations, I think. So I just have some sari ribbon. Oh, okay. And then I made a tassel for this one. Just really simple, nothing too crazy. Just some pinks, some blues, little hints of like beige and brown in there. And then I also did some bead dangles for these. Again, I'm not the best at these. I just really started doing them. Hopefully I can show you. And this one has a tiny little bird. This is the only bird I had in my stash. And then I used a feather for this one. So there's this one. Hopefully I'm showing it okay. And then this one has a bottle cap as well that I inked up with some alchemy wax. And in this image I had from a bottle cap set that I had. It says Songbird. So again, this is removable. I added book corners. So with these soft cover journals, if you are new to my journals, I always add felt, unless it's like an upholstery fabric or a tapestry that's really thick. I always add felt underneath because I don't know, I just like the feel of it. I didn't put anything on the spine because I just could not cover these beautiful birds, butterflies, and eggs, and it's just gorgeous. So I left it bare. But you can add something if you like. Sorry, strings are free. All right, so let's go inside here. So I made this pocket here with, this is some sample fabric that I got a long time ago. And then this is a K & Company border that I cut down here. And then this is from Summer Prelude. And then this is an older kit. I don't remember what this one is. This one was already in my stash and sewn already, so I don't remember what collection that is from. But if you go on her website and her Etsy shop, you will find everything right there. So here is her beautiful digital kit. I distressed it with the Tim Holtz distressing tool, and I inked around all the pages. I also used her Eco Dye digital kit. I love that kit so much. Oh my goodness. Coffee dye paper, and I just did the little border punch or corner punch. How beautiful. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then this is just a book page from one of my bird books. And then I just added some fabric with a wax seal. Sorry, NYC Life. I did add some lace on some of the pages. Sorry, you guys, I can't help the noises outside. So really, really pretty. And I added these little eggs. This is a little border, some eggs there. This is a ephemera piece here, and it's a little tag with her digital that I just tore and stitched on there. I lost the paper clip. I lost the paper clip, you guys. I don't know what I did with it, really. Okay. I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if this is, I want to say Mary Engelbright, but that's not, oh, it's Susan somebody. I can't remember. Oh, there's a paper clip right there. Okay, I'll put it back later. Susan Branch, maybe? I can't remember. I love those butterflies there. Look at that eco dye paper. This is a K & Company paper that I got from my bestie, I believe. And then I added this little lace trim, and I made this collage ephemera here with some Tim Holtz paper and all kinds of papers, and I put always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. This is actually some packaging from K & Company, and I couldn't throw it away because it matched perfectly, and so I just added this little label here. This is an actual stamp. I used my punch, but this is a real stamp, and then this is just a piece of paper here, and I covered this is the digital kit. I just tore it and added just little trim here, and that's it. So you can either journal on that side, or you can journal on that side, or both sides, whatever you want to do. And that is that. And this is from my bird book. Just added a little piece of lace there. I love that bird book because it has little like poems and stuff on the other side. So lots of room to journal. Great spring journal to use. Sorry if you hear noises besides the NYC noises and the dogs. That would be my son playing his video game. This is a, what do you call it, acetate that I just glued on there. Just did a little stamping there. Little bird page. This is a little piece of fabric. I got this from Spectrum Arts as well. This is a tag that I made from, it's a big mat. I did 2 big master boards, and I just made some embellishments with them. I mean ephemera with them. So it says best day ever. This is a dictionary page. Edith Holden. This is vellum. I think I stitched around it, or I glued around it. I glued around it. And then this is Edith Holden, of course. So I just folded it in and added some trim. I love that eco dye paper so much. And then this is a vintage postcard. I don't know the year. Oh, this is not even in English up there. Okay, really pretty. Oops. And this is an envelope. It's actually from another paper collection, but it matched so perfectly. And I just added a washi sticker here, so you can glue it on if you want. I just tucked some of her ephemera in there because it just matched so well. So I just added it in there. Super sturdy. So I distressed it with my distressing tool and inked around it. So you can glue it down if you want, but I thought I would give you the option to glue it down if you wanted to. This is Ideals. And this, so with these book pages here, the bird ones, I didn't want to cut it, and I wanted it to be upright. So I folded and I stitched it or glued it. I don't remember how I did it. And I just added this because it had a little space in there. So I just added this beautiful postcard from Little Golden Book. So it just kind of sits in there. It just has a little bit of a space right there. I have strings everywhere, you guys. Yeah. So here is a little side tuck. Here's one of her, some leftover paper, and this is her ephemera here. And then here, this is, oh, I didn't put anything inside, but this is a pocket here. It's vellum. I just stitched around it. And this is just one of those little tags. I just added a brad there. So this opens up and then this comes out. It's a journal card. So it just kind of tucks under there like that. And I just added a little sticker up there and then one of her ephemera pieces in that little pocket. Did I? No, I didn't leave that open. I thought I did, but I didn't. So that is that. So other side of that bird page. And then here is the back pocket. I love these envelopes. My crafty angel sent me these envelopes. I don't know where she got them. I love them. I have like 3 or 4 left. I have to see if I can find them somewhere because they're just perfect to make little pockets, which is what I always do with them. So this is another one of the collage tags that I made with another wax seal. I did put this on Pop Dot, so it's dimensional. And I put choose to see the good stuff, Tim Holtz, and then that's Tim Holtz as well. So as with all my journals, I always send extra goodies so then you can decorate the journal however you like and make it your own. And this will be listed in my Etsy shop by the time you see this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I have to put that that piece back. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All the information to Ephemera's Vintage Garden will be down in the description box below. Please come back for my butterfly journal, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.